Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a recent Eclipse and JDK. Once done, open Eclipse Marketplace and install the GitHub Copilot plugin. This adds the editor integration so suggestions appear inline. Next, sign in with your GitHub account and grant Copilot access. This links usage to your subscription or trial. Make sure you allow Copilot to access relevant repositories. After authorization, restart Eclipse when prompted, so the extension initializes and connects to GitHub service. Once the plugin is active, open a source file in your workspace and ensure Copilot is enabled for that project. You'll see inline completions. Accept them with Tab or use the suggestion menu to cycle alternatives. Customize behavior in Eclipse preferences, adjust suggestion frequency, enable or disable whole line versus block completions, and set language-specific preferences. Also configure telemetry or privacy settings so Copilot's telemetry matches your organizational rules. Make small edits to prompt clearer suggestions as you finish by validating generated code. Run tests, build the project, and review logic for edge cases that Copilot might miss. If suggestions stop appearing, reauthorize Copilot in your GitHub settings and update the plugin from Marketplace. These steps often fix token or compatibility issues. For persistent failures, check network or proxy settings and inspect Eclipse error log for authentication or extension errors. One key troubleshooting tip: restart Eclipse after reauthorization to force a fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.